Ravi Madhus Cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making Besan ka shira, or gram flour pudding. Besan ka shira is a very popular sweet cuisine of Punjab, India. It is made of gram flour, ghee and sugar. It is a thick but flowing consistency pudding-like dish which is very delicious in taste. Traditionally it is prepared and served as an instant remedy for cold and cough not only during winters but throughout the year. Drinking or eating a hot bowl of it before going to bed gives immediate relief from blocked nose and choked throat. We have grown up using this foolproof domestic remedy to get rid of bad effects of cold. Make this very easy to make, delicious cuisine and serve to your dear ones whenever affected by cold and cough. You may serve it not only for relief from cold but you may serve it anytime as a delicious sweet treat or dessert. Everyone including children are going to love it for sure. Put a wok over medium-low heat with 1 tablespoon ghee that is clarified butter in it to melt. If ghee is already melted, then add 2 tablespoons of it. Allow ghee to melt completely. Then add 3 tablespoon besan that is gram flour into it. Start stirring immediately to avoid lumps formation. Sauté while stirring constantly for 4 to 5 minutes at medium-low heat. Sauté while stirring and scraping the bottom of wok with a large spoon or spatula until color of besan turns reddish brown and that fabulous flavor of roasted besan fills into your kitchen. Now carefully pour 1.5 or 2 cups water into wok. Keep on stirring continuously while adding water into roasted besan as it may splutter out. You may use milk or a mixture of milk and water instead of water, especially if making it for children. Increase heat to medium and simmer while stirring continuously for 3 to 4 minutes or until mixture starts to thicken. Now add 1 or 2 tablespoons of coarsely pounded or chopped almonds into it. Adding almonds is absolutely optional and you may omit it if like to. Now add 1.5 or 2 taste sugar into it. Stir until sugar is well dissolved and shira thickens to desired consistency. Keep on stirring continuously during simmering. Now taste and adjust sugar. Add whatever is required to your taste. Stir to mix and turn off the heat. Transfer into serving mug or bowl. Serve delicious besan ka shira hot. Get relief from cold and cough and relax. Enjoy. We hope that you have liked it. Please click the like button below and write your views on it in comments column. Also click on our photo on screen to subscribe if not subscribed till now. Thanks.